Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our school YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Let us continue with the chapter Addition Unit 3. Today, we are going to understand word problems of addition. Let us quickly recap the concept of simple sums of addition. For example, question is we have to add 85, 999, 23,456 and 54,381. Students, to add these numbers, we have to arrange these numerals in column method. When we will arrange them in column method, like first of all, we will write the biggest number 54,381, then 23,456, 999 and 85. After adding these numbers, we get 78,921 as answer. Children, we must always remember that the numbers we add are called addends and the answer we get is called sum. Now, students, we must remember that solving word problems is a four-way process, four steps process, right? First step is we need to read the given statement carefully. Secondly, observe and understand. Then write statement for the given word problem. Finally, find the solution by doing the correct operation. Let us practice this by doing one word problem. The question is there are 25,819 men, 9,792 women and 95,983 children in a city. What is its population? So, first of all, we read the statement there are so many men, women and children in a city. We have to find the total population of the city. So, for finding total population, we need to add men, women and children. Now, we will frame statement. Number of men 25,819, number of women 9,792, number of children 95,983. For finding total population, we have to add these three numerals and we will get 1,31,594 people in that city. Next, children, let us understand the concept by solving one more example. The cost of a scooter is rupees 5,685 more than the cost of a TV. If the cost of a TV is rupees 22,643, find the cost of scooter and TV. In this question, children, cost of TV is given, that is rupees 22,643 and cost of scooter is rupees 5,685 more than the cost of TV. So, we will do this question in two parts. First of all, we will find the cost of scooter by adding rupees 5,685 to the cost of TV. Here the cost of TV is 22,643 and cost of scooter more than TV is rupees 5,685. So children, the total cost of scooter is rupees 28,328. Next children, for finding total cost of TV and scooter, we know the cost of scooter now and we know the cost of TV also. So we will write it. Cost of scooter is rupees 28,328. Cost of TV is rupees 22,643. When we add these two amounts, we will find the total cost of TV and scooter. After adding these two, we get rupees 50,971. So, our answer is total cost of TV and scooter is rupees 50,971. Thank you children. Stay happy and happy learning maths. God bless you all.